Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video we will see how we get portrait mode in camera app in iPhone 6, 6s, 7 and 8. If you are talking about how we get blurry background in iPhone 6, 7 or 8, then keep watching this video until the end, cause today in this video I'm going to show you how to get portrait mode in iPhone 6, 7 and 8. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. First of all, we need to download and install an application in iPhone from the App Store named Focus. First launch App Store or search for Focus. Tap search. I already downloaded this software, so I'm going to open it. Now, I'm going to choose any photo from the gallery, and if you want to use the camera, then tap on portrait photos. Tap on camera and you will take the picture. All photos, select any of them. It just take a couple of seconds. Now there is no background, so that's why I'm going to choose any other one. If I'm going to choose that one, let me show you how to blur the background. You can see the difference in the picture. Very easy to use, very good software for iPhone 6s. This is the focus. Then you can see the difference. Shapes, highlights, and many more options you can get from this software. Use this software. Write down in the comments what you see the new one in this software. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.